Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by launching Word so you can work immediately. Open Start, type Word, and press Enter. Once Word loads, sign in if prompted so your license and cloud files sync. Choose blank document or a template that matches your goal. Templates save time on layout and styles. Make sure Auto Save is on if you use OneDrive because that prevents loss. Now that the environment is ready, you're set to add content and structure your document efficiently. You'll compose and shape the document by applying styles for headings, which makes navigation and later formatting consistent. As you type, use the Home tab to adjust font, spacing, and bullets. This keeps the layout professional. Once content exists, go to Insert to add images, tables, or page numbers, and use Layout to tweak margins. For collaboration, enable track changes and use the Review tab to run spelling and grammar. These steps help you maintain accuracy and readability. You finish by saving and exporting your file. Press Ctrl+S regularly, choose File Save as to save locally or to OneDrive, and use Export to create a PDF for distribution. When sharing, use File Share to grant permissions or attach the document to an email. If Word becomes unresponsive, make sure Office is updated, then disable add-ins under Options Add-ins and restart Word. If issues persist, reboot the laptop. This sequence resolves most failures and gets you back to editing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.